About this item: Tisino balanced 1/4 to XLR male cable. This TRS to XLR cable is designed to convert a balanced 1/4 TRS output to a balanced XLR input. These cables are commonly used as speaker leads for active speakers, carrying the audio signal from the mixer to the speaker. XLR pin 1 is connected to the 1/4 plug sleeve. XLR pin 2 is connected to the 1/4 plug tip. XLR pin 3 is connected to the 1/4 plug ring. This male XLR to 1/4 cable uses shielded 20 AWG4N oxygen-free copper, ensure high fidelity sound quality and provide maximum conductivity and signal clarity. A great choice for music lovers. It's especially great for studio or live performances. With heavy-duty 24K gold-plated XLR and 6.35mm connectors, it could eliminate signal loss and static noise, provide durability and improve the signal transmission, and the copper shell blocks any interference, which prevents the loss of sound quality. Heavy-duty flexible rubber and nylon braid jacket protect your cable. The outer diameter of the cable is 6.0 mm, 0.24 inch, top quality, and made by Environment Friendly material. Polyethylene insulation improves high-frequency response, strong, flexible and durable. Despite multiple layers of shielding and insulation,